How to fix McDonald's app HTTP 504 Gateway Timeout? The HTTP 504 Gateway Timeout error means that the server that was trying to load the McDonald's app did not get a response in time from another server. This could be due to a temporary problem with the network, the servers, or the app itself. Here are some things you can try to fix the error: refresh the app or restart your device. Sometimes, the error is just a glitch that can be resolved by reloading the app or rebooting your device. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable and fast internet connection, and that you are not using a proxy or VPN that might interfere with the app. Update the app or reinstall it. Make sure you have the latest version of the McDonald's app, and that it is compatible with your device and operating system. If the app is corrupted or outdated, you can try uninstalling it and downloading it again from the App Store or Google Play. Contact the McDonald's support team. If none of the above steps work, you can contact the McDonald's support team for further assistance. You can find the contact details on the Contact Us tab of the McDonald's website or app.